how to transform this image into this using Canva. Before moving forward, please subscribe this channel for more Canva tutorial.
At first, open Canva, go to custom size and select this size and create new design. It will open a blank canvas. Go to elements, select a photo. I will choose this one. Now select the image and go to edit image. Go to BG remover and remove the background. Now go to share and download this image in JPG format. Now add another page. Go to apps, search tracer. You will find this app. Select the app and open. It will ask you to choose a file. Now upload the image you just downloaded. Here you can see the effect. You can increase or decrease the threshold. That's it. I think it is alright. Now click add to design. It will add the image to the page. Now go back to this page and download the image again. Upload the image again. Here you can see the result. I will put the both image side by side. Thanks for watching.